We all want to succeed when we come to university, but this can become a struggle when we cannot hear or understand our lecturers when they are teaching us crucial information.
The main problem illustrated by the centre of our tree is that of students misunderstanding lecturers. The main causes of our issue that we have found are accents of the lecturer, disabilities of students, and language barriers of the lecturer. The symptoms originating from our issue comprise of miscommunication of knowledge, distinct disadvantage for international students, and students failing courses in the future. In terms of width, this issue affects a great number of people. The majority of students in the lectures of these lecturers who hold difficult accents to interpret. This can branch across all universities across the whole world, meaning the width of this issue stretches over a very great number of people. In terms of depth, this could lead to severe issues varying on person to person. Those whom struggle to interpret the language spoken in the first place will fall far behind and perhaps lose out on future qualifications, reducing skillful workers available in future, which would harm numerous industries. The category that this problem fits into is the education category. This problem is something that affects most, if not all, students around the world. In terms of a solution, we decided to establish a software which would help students record what the teacher said in his lecture. Specific details include: we will put a small chip into the lecture's microphone. It can automatically identify what the teacher said and convert it into text form. After the student installs the software into their laptop or phone, the chip will send these texts to our unique software via Bluetooth and display the information directly on their screen. Accents and language barrier issues are covered from the solution, as the ability to go back to what is taught in text form is far easier to interpret, especially with the ability to translate this into other languages. In terms of addressing disabilities, such as hearing impairments, the ability to read lectures is vital and gives all students equal opportunities. Our solution is innovative. Our app, with microphone, aims to be sought after and aimed specifically at students. There are softwares which provide similar functions, but none which aim for university students. Examples of such software include YouTube's auto-generated captions, Apple's Siri, and Google's voice recognition. Our app will instantly and accurately transform speech into text. The value measure for this solution would be to improve productivity. The KPI for this technique would be comparing the results of students who participate and utilize our solution with students who do not. Averages could also be compared between semesters with the solution and semesters previous to its implementation.